So if your coach and consultant wanted to have organic inbound leads from your YouTube long form videos, this video is for you. In this video, I have break down Alex Hormozi entire content engine so you can copy it and paste it into your channels that can build trust and authority and get you the organic lead at the same time. So if you are posting on YouTube consistently but you are not getting the authority that you want, you're not getting the trust of your audience, you're not getting the leads or call that can book and get you the sales, then listen, because this video is not because of your camera, because of editing, because of the YouTube algorithm. The problem is simple. You don't have a repeatable content system, so you post random videos and you burn out. This week I studied Alex Hormozi's entire content engine seriously, not to copy his face, not to copy his style, but to extract the system behind why his content builds authority and makes money at the same time. I turn it into a simple blueprint for high-ticket coaches and consultants. And in this video, I'm going to break down in 3 parts, which is position, package, and promise. And yes, I'm using the same blueprint inside this video right now. So you are not just learning it, you are experiencing it at the same time. For an example, I have started these videos by calling out high-ticket coaches and consultants. That's the position. I told you what you will get in this video. That's the promise. And I told you the structure like position, package, and promise. That's the packaging. That's the blueprint working in a real time. Now let's talk about your real life problem. You are posting on YouTube, but you don't have a repeatable system. So what happened? You try random tactics, you post when you feel motivated, then you stop, then you start all over again. Nothing compound. Your pains maybe sounds like, I don't know what to post every single week. My video is not growing when I upload on YouTube. So I still need motivation to record for new videos. I'm not getting leads or calls, that's why I stopped posting organically. I don't have big teams like Hormozi has. I'm investing my time and I still feel invisible. Now, if the problem is randomness, the fix is clarity. The clarity that starts with position, and position is simple. It means who this channel is for. He does not try to talk to everyone. Try to talk to one type of person, business people. That's why he built authority. Now, here's how I'm doing the same thing in this video. In first 10 seconds, I told you exactly who this is for. High-ticket coaches, consultant who wanted to build authority and sales from YouTube. That's the position. And now, here's how you can copy. Open your next videos with one simple line. How I wanted to position myself. Like me, I had high-ticket coaches and consultants build authority on YouTube, that authority into sales without spending thousands of ads. If your first line is not clear, you get random views. That's position. If your position is not clear, you get random views. Same as that. The random viewers don't become leads. Now you might say, okay, I have clear positioning, but here's the next problem. Even you have a right person to click, they will still leave if your video feel messy. Here's how we go with the packaging. Packaging means how you represent your idea so people stay. Here's a simple thing that I learned from Hormozi. He tells you the map first, that's why your brain relax, because you knows, okay, I'm not going to waste my time here. Now, watch how I use this in this video. In first few minutes, I told you exactly what you will get. The blueprint. 3 parts like positioning, package, promise. So even you skip around, you still understand the video. That's the packaging. Now, here's how you can copy this into your video. Right out of your hook, say one clear line. By the end of this video, you will have simple 3 plan, or I will show you 3 mistakes and fix it. That's it. When the viewers knows the map, they will stay longer, and when they will stay longer, you build real fast trust. Now, position gets the right people to click. Packaging get them to stay. But here's the one more thing. People won't stay if they don't believe there is a result. That's why Hormozi is strong at promise. Promise means what result you believe that you will get from this video. This is where most people lose viewers, because the viewers sound like, let me explain something, but the viewers thinks, okay, what do I get? Here's what Hormozi does. He makes the result clear and fast. So viewers knows this is worth of my time. And now watch how I do this the same thing in this video. In the first few minutes, I didn't say I studied Alex Hormozi. I told you the outcome. I'm going to give you the blueprint. And I told you what's included in it, like position, package, and promise. So you know exactly what you will get. That's the promise. Now, here, how you can copy it into your next video. Before you record, just say simple line. In this video, what my audience will be able to get in what time phrase without their current problem. For an example, plan your next 4 videos in 7 days without guessing, or build authority in 7 days without a big team. When the result is clear, people stay longer. Now here's the engine in like one simple line. Real problem, simple video, repeat every single week. Hormozi does not brainstorm like a YouTuber. He look at real business problem. Then he talks about what happened. That's why his content feels real. This is the rule. Do epic stuff and talk about it. He does not talk about the theory or the fake advice. He talk about real work he has already did, than the real lesson he learned. Now let me make this practical. But first, let me kill a myth that most beginner things on YouTube is about recording. It is not. It's about pre-production. 80% of result come from the idea, the structure, the promise, the outline, not the fancy editing. Here's the real example. For this video, I did not just record it. I spent 20 plus hours of studying, extracting the blueprint, what Alex Hormozi does for his content. Then 1 to 2 hours of scripting, building the structure, then recording part become easier over time. When I started this journey, it took me like 11 hours to record 1 videos. Now after consistent, I can do it in like 1 hour. If you're new, don't feel bad, this is normal. Confidence comes from reps. Now, here's entire weekly system that you can follow. The first 10 minutes, pick one problem for this like 7 days that you have gone through. The another 10 minutes, write a triple P in blueprint, like position, package, and promise. Then 30 to 60 minutes of recording 10 to 5 minutes videos. If you're new, yes, it will take longer. But with reps, it will get faster. Consistency, make you comfortable. What not to copy from Alex Hormozi. His volume, his scale, or his like status tone, how he talks about it. Copy his clarity, structure, and the repeatable system. Copy his engine, not the fame. Now here's a clear path, so you just don't go by watching this video delusional. So if you wanted to use this blueprint into your channel, do this in order. First step, go to in my description, get my 7 days YouTube resource. Is the same template that I'm using to plan this video in structure to build the authority. And the second is, after you've gone through with that, if you want me to help you one-to-one on your channel, I have 12 week of implementation program where I will help you to build position on your channel. I will fix your packaging and I will help you to sharpen your promise, so you can stop chasing views and start getting trust and leads from your YouTube video. I only takes few people, so book a call from the link in the description. We'll see if I can help you or not. And here's a step 3. And in next video that you will watch here, how to fix like 6-figure with content in 2026, watch it now. Because how you can actually add up $10,000 to $20,000 every single month extra into your pocket while creating YouTube content.